What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with some exciting information on the remaining SFB amplifiers we have. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. Alright, so the SFB lineup, it's been in the Sundown name brand for about 3 years now. So it started out as the SFBs and we still have them, but we're going to be swapping over to the SIAs. But in front of me we have 3 different amplifiers from the SFB lineup, which are the most popular ones. We have the SFB 3000. I'll knock out the measurements for you real quick on that. So we're looking at 9 inches wide by 9 inches tall, so 9 by 9, and then I think this is gonna be 2 3/4. I know it's hard for y'all to see there. 2 3/4. And this one, all these amplifiers are on major tax time sale, so be sure to pay attention to this. This amplifier is $279, the SFB 3K, so you can get over 3,000 watts for under 300 bucks. The next amplifier we have is the SFB 5K, which is on sale for right at 400 bucks. Tons of power for 400 bucks for sure. You're looking at right at 12 inches wide, and then 9 and 2.5, or 2 3/4, whatever it was. So somewhere in there. Again, 400 bucks for that. And then we have the big boy, the SFB 8K, which is the biggest ones they offer right now. 8K is going to come in at 17 inches wide. You can see down here on this end, 17 inches wide. And the width on it is going to be 9 inches as well, and probably going to be 2 3/4 on the height. There you go. And on this one and that one, you have dual 0 gauge inputs. They also come with your bass knob here, power and clip light on there. Oh, the SFB 8K is now on sale for right at 500 bucks. So be sure to check these amplifiers out for a great budget-friendly option. If you're looking to bang on a budget, the SFB line is a crazy budget-friendly option from Sundown Audio. Backed by the Sundown Audio 2-year warranty, and you know they do tons of R&D on their products before they release anything to make sure even their budget-friendly stuff is great. So if you have any more questions pertaining to car audio, be sure to drop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them if I see them. And check out the sale. You can click on the link in the description below and it'll take you right to the SFB amplifiers. You can see not just these models, but a bunch of the other SFBs are on sale as well. So appreciate you checking this video out, and we'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.